We have recently had a few pieces other than old pine furniture arrive, including some zinc tubs. And these are £55 each. Then we've got some antique copper cauldrons. These large ones, 245. We are having some slightly smaller ones in of these. These are 245 each. This one's a really special one with special markings and a handle. That's 320. We've got these beautiful old dog carts. This is a large one, or hay carts, I believe. We've got another large one here. And then a very cute little one here. And these are all roadworthy as well. Automatic, look, goes on its own. See ya. And another hay cart here. And that was 327. So that's everything there, and we've just got a couple more bits and pieces which I'll show you, which are inside. Some water containers, water jugs and things. That one's 55, that one's 59. It's 55. Nice little brass watering can. Copper watering can. No, it's brass, sorry. Another water container jug and a little tiny copper cauldron. We have a ship's bell. And I love this, a ship's lantern, which does have a maker's name on. That's it's got the chain as well, so you can hang it up. Let's see if I can keep this steady. Can you read that? Oh, it's not in focus very well. So that's just a few little bits and pieces I've got.